Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Court Kautilyan. So the title of the case that we would be listening in story form today is X versus Y. So let's start. Once upon a time in Tamil Nadu, a couple, let's call them X the husband and Y the wife, were married. Their relationship, however, soon turned bitter. By 2010, they had separated, living apart for many years with no signs of reconciliation. The husband X approached the family court seeking divorce on the ground of cruelty. After carefully examining the evidence, the family court agreed with him and granted a decree of divorce. Believing his marital ties had ended, X even remarried in March 2017. But the story did not end here. Y, the wife, challenged this decree. The Madras High Court heard her plea and reversed the divorce, declaring that the marriage still subsisted. This judgment created turmoil for X, who had by then started a new life with another partner. Left with no choice, X approached the Supreme Court of India. The case reached a bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta. The court looked into the matter deeply. They saw that X and Y had been living apart for nearly 15 long years. X had remarried long ago, based on the family court's decree. There was no affection or possibility of reconciliation left between the two. The judges realized that keeping this marriage alive legally would serve no purpose. The bond had been shattered beyond repair, an irretrievable breakdown of marriage. Using this extraordinary constitutional power under Article 142, the Supreme Court decided to bring closure. It dissolved the marriage once and for all, overriding the Madras High Court's order. But the court also recognized Y's struggles. She, along with the child, had received no financial support since the separation. Justice demanded fairness, so the court directed X to pay rupees 1.25 crores as permanent alimony, spread across 5 installments of 25 lakhs each. The first installment was fixed for 15 September 2025, with the others to follow every quarter. With this, the long legal battle finally ended. The husband's second marriage remained valid, the wife received financial security, and both were free to move forward with their lives. And so, in this case of X versus Y, the Supreme Court showed how law and compassion together can bring an end to years of pain by closing a broken chapter and ensuring justice through both dissolution and support. I hope you have liked my video, and so I would also request you to share my video with your close ones, and most importantly subscribe and do like the video that you have seen now. At the same time, I would also like to inform that I will also make a similar video in Hindi language for the same case, which I have been doing for the last 4 months. So you can, if you are not comfortable with the language English, you can just go to that video and see the Hindi version of the case. So with this, thank you. Stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.